Hello everyone, myself Professor Shamal Patil. Welcome to Management Accounting class. Today we are going to start problems on common size statement. Okay, common size financial statement has two types. First one is common size income statement and second one is common size balance sheet. Now what do you mean by this common size statement? That we have already studied in the previous class. Common size financial statements are nothing but those financial statements in which the items of financial statements are converted into percentage by taking some common base. If you are preparing income statement, the common base will be sales, or if you are preparing balance sheet, the common base will be total of asset side or total of liability side, and that is the reason these statements are also called as component percentage statement or 100% statement. Okay, now today we will be solving problems on what? Problem on income statement. Here in the common size income statement, the net sales is to be taken as 100%, and other items of income statement will be expressed as percentage to net sales. Okay, here is the formula to calculate percentage. Concerned item divided by net sales into 100. If you put the values in this formula, you will get the common size percentage, and with the help of that percentage we can prepare what? Common size statement. Okay, so here is the problem given. This problem is for 5 marks. Now first I will read the problem. From the income statement given below, you are required to prepare a common size income statement. Now, which all information they have given? In continuing operations, there is revenue from operations, that is nothing but net sales. Next one is other incomes. The firm doesn't have any other income. Then there is expenses, that is cost of sales and other expenses, and taxes given. Okay, with the help of this income statement we will be preparing common size income statement. Okay, now here first write the heading solution common size income statement for the year ending 31st March 2019, 2018 and 2019. Okay, first one is in continuing operation. First one is revenue from operations. What is the amount of revenue from operations? 2,80,000. Okay, so right here amount 2,80,000. Now here percentage will be 100. Why 100? Because this is the sales amount, and in common size income statement the net sales will be considered as the common base. Therefore the percentage of net sales, that is revenue from operations, will be 100%, and remaining all other items of the income statement will be compared with this amount. Okay, now next one is other incomes, but in the problem there is no any information regarding other income, which means that firm doesn't have any other income other than the revenue from operations. Okay, so put dash here. Here also. Done. Now next one is we have to find out what? Total revenue, as the firm doesn't have any other income, so whatever revenue from operation will be there, that only itself is the total revenue of the firm. Okay, so right here 2,80,000. next percentage will be 100. next amount is 3,30,000. this is the sales amount for the year 2019. percentage is 100. Done. Now from this revenue deduct the expenses. Which all expenses are given? Cost of sales. What is the amount of cost of sales? 1,70,000. 1,70,000. So write here 1,70,000. Now find out the percentage of 1,70,000. That is a percentage of cost of sales. Formula is consent item. Now here consent item is what? Cost of sales. Okay. So what is the amount of cost of sales? 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Okay. $1,70,000 divided by what is the amount of net sales for the year 2018? It is 2,80,000. Okay, so right here 2,80,000 and into 100. Into 100 you will get percentage of cost of sales. Percentage of cost of sales. 1,70,000 divided by 2,80,000 into 100 is equal to 60.72 percentage. 0.72 percentage. Okay. So write this percentage here. This percentage is for 2018. Okay. For 2018. Percentage of cost of sales is 60.72 percentage. So in this way, for all the items we have to find out the percentage. I hope you will remember this and you have understood the calculation of percentage, common size percentage. Okay. Now next one is what? Percentage of cost of sales for the year 2019. Now what is the amount of 2019 cost of sales? 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 divided by 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to how much percentage? 63.33 percentage. 63.33 percentage. Okay. 63.33 percentage. This first we have to write here amount. Percentage will be in this column. Amount is 2,10,000. Okay. Next, other expenses. Okay. Other expenses. How much is the amount of other expenses? 44,000. 44,000. Percentage 44,000 divided by net sales. What is the amount of net sales here? 2,80,000 into 100. How much? 44,000 divided by 2,80,000 into 100 is equal to 15.71 percentage. 15.71 percentage. Okay. Next one is after other expenses of 2018-2019 expenses is 54,000. So right here 54,000. What is the percentage? 54,000 divided by 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to 16.36 percentage. 16.36 percentage. Okay. Over, now make the total of expenses. 1,72,000 plus 1,70,000 plus 44,000 is equal to 2,14,000. How this 2,14,000 has come? 1,70,000 plus 44,000. Now calculate their percentage. 2,14,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is equal to 76.43 percentage. 76.43 percentage. Okay. Next one is 2,10,000 plus 54,000 is equal to 2,64,000. 2,64,000. Now find out percentage. 2,64,000 divided by 3,30,000 into 100. Okay. 2,64,000 divided by 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to 80%. 80%. Okay. Next one is find out the profit before tax. Profit before tax is also called as operating profit. Okay. Keep in mind operating profit. Now profit before tax, how you will calculate? In bracket we have written here A minus B. A is what? 2 lakh. What is the amount of A? 2,80,000. B is 2,14,000. So 2,80,000 minus 2,14,000. Balance is how much? 66,000. How 66,000 has come? 2,80,000 minus 2,14,000. So balance is 66,000. Okay. Find out percentage. 66,000 divided by 2 lakh into 2,80,000 into 100. 2,80,000 into 100. You will get the percentage. How much is the percentage? 23.57 percentage. 0.57 percentage. Done. Next one. 3,30,000 minus A's amount is 3,30,000 for the year 2019 and B how much? 2,64,000. So minus 2,64,000. 2,64,000. How much? 66,000. 3,30,000 minus 2,64,000 is equal to 66,000. 66,000. Percentage 66,000 divided by 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to 20%. Into 100 is equal to what? 20%. Now next what? Less income tax at 40% on PBT. Here you can check. We will be using the same format. There will be no change in the format. Okay. Income tax at 40% on PBT. How much is the PBT? Profit before tax or operating profit? How much? 66,000. So 66,000 into 40 upon 100 is equal to how much? 66,000 into 40 upon 100 is equal to 26,400. Right? 26,400. Find out percentage. 26,400 divided by 2,80,000 into 100 is equal to how much? 9.43 percentage. 9.43%. Okay. Next one, find out the income tax for the year 2019. Same, because the profit before tax for the 2019 also is same. So 26,400, and here percentage 26,400 divided by 3,30,000. 26,400 divided by 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to how much? 8%. 8%. Okay. Now calculate profit after tax. How you will find out profit after tax? 66,000 minus 26,400, you will get profit after tax or net profit. How much? 39,600. 39,600. Percentage 39,600 divided by 2,80,000 into 100 is equal to 14.14%. 14.14%. Next, 66,000 minus 26,400. It is going to remain same, 39,600. 39,600, and the percentage will be 39,600 divided by 3,30,000 3,30,000 into 100 is equal to 12%. Is equal to 12%. Okay, I hope you have understood the calculation of percentage. Formula is very simple. Consent item divided by net sales into 100. For 2018, here we have calculated the percentage of cost of sales. How much is the amount of cost of sales? 1,70,000. What is the sales? 2,80,000. So 1,70,000 divided by 2,80,000 into 100, percentage will be 60.72%. In this way, for all the other items, we have to find out the percentage by taking net sales for the net sales as the common base. Okay, net sales as the common base when it comes to the income statement. I hope you have understood the calculation of income statement, common size income statement. Okay. In the next class, we will be solving one more problem on common size income statement. Okay, 5 marks problem.